Pay yourself first, the secret wealth habit no one taught you. Most people get paid, then spend money on everything else before saving, and that's why they stay broke. Flip the script. It's called paying yourself first. Before rent, groceries, or even Netflix, move 10% of your income into savings. This isn't what's left over saving. This is priority saving, and it adds up fast. Set it, automate it, forget it. Pay yourself first. The rest, that's just rent. Remember, start budgeting smart today. Protect your credit and save with purpose. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It helps more than you know. Want to support the channel directly like a Patreon? Visit www.pytown.ca/lifeledger and become part of the community. And if you're feeling the vibe, grab some of our merch here. atown.creatorspring.com. Thanks for watching. Keep your finances strong, and we'll see you next time on Life on a Ledger.